Hi everyone, welcome to sq.cm.shsirclasses. Today in this video we have to draw a square of area 4.3 square centimeter by using compass. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to draw here a line of any length. So first drawing here a line and taking here point P and here X. Now first taking a length 4.3 centimeter on the line PX. So this is 4.3 centimeter and taking here point A, again taking 1 centimeter line from the point A. So this is 1 centimeter, so taking here point Q. Now first we have to bisect the line PQ, so putting the compass here and taking greater than half of PQ and drawing an arc by this way with same length and putting the compass here and cut here and cut here. So both the curve intersect at a 2 point. Now first joining this line and which meet the line PX at a point, so taking here O. Now first taking the length OP and OQ to draw here a semicircle through the point P and Q. Next we have to draw here a 90-degree angle on the point A, so putting the compass on the point A and taking any length and drawing an arc with same length and putting the compass here and cut here and putting the compass here and cut here and drawing an arc here with same length and putting the compass here and cut here. Now both the curve intersect at a point. Now first joining this line and which meet the semicircle at a point, so taking here point D. Now first joining O and D. Now joining this O and D, and this is the radius of the semicircle, and from right angle triangle OAD, OD equal to hypotenuse, OA equal to base, and AD equal to height. So AD equal to root 4.3 centimeter. If you don't know how to find out the value of AD, then please watch my video which is given in the channel. Okay, so now taking the length AD equal to root 4.3 centimeter by using compass and cut here with same length and putting the compass here and cut here with same length and putting the compass here and cut here. So both the curve intersect at a point. Now taking here point B and here C. Now first joining B and C, then joining C and D to get the square here. So by joining this side we can get the square. So the length of DC equal to root 4.3 centimeter. This is also 4.3 root 4.3, and this is also root 4.3 centimeter. This side also root 4.3 centimeter. So therefore ABCD, so square ABCD is a square of each side root 4.3 centimeter, and the area of the square equal to root 4.3 into root 4.3 equal to 4.3 square centimeter. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching. Please like the video.